This is a quick look at the Sanrenmu 7098 LUE multi-tool knife, and I would consider this a multi-tool EDC. More of a knife though, just simply because of the more traditional shape of a knife. And you can see it has very nice finger choil, locking your hand in place. Has a nice 12C27 Sandvik steel blade with two-tone finish, polish on the flats, and satin finish on the grind. Slight recurve of the blade, and kind of a clip point style with a nice upsweep. There are liner locks for both the tools. Lockup is solid. No vertical up down, no left right. And when you close that, you'll see the secondary tool, the saw, which is tapered, thinner on the spine, thicker on the edge, so it doesn't bind when cutting through wood. It's a little hard to see, but there are no milled out liners. And the pocket clip, which is only tip down right hand carry, comes also with a glass breaker at the tip here, where there is a large lanyard slot here. Other tools that are on this are the cord cutter, or possibly a seatbelt cutter, as long as a Phillips Phillips screwdriver, I meant to say, and a bottle opener, as well as a flathead screwdriver, or I guess if you really want, a pseudo pry bar, which I wouldn't recommend, but it is there. These are non-locking, unlike the two main blades, the blade and the saw, I should say. Now, the ergos are pretty good, as it is shaped like a knife, more than it is a multi-tool. So you get a very good grip, and while there's no jimping at the top, the finger choil right here more than makes up for it. Fit and finish is decent. There are still some gaps, as you can see, between, but like I said in my other quick look video, that's really nitpicking. You won't really care for that. And overall, I'd say it's a very good blade, multi-tool, and only problems I would say for this is similar to the other. It's quite small, the blades, both of them. So while the knife is sufficient for small tasks, the saw blade, it's more of a novelty. You could cut small branches, but if it's a branch that small, you likely could just snap it off anyways. So I guess you could use it to make notches and such, but it's there if you need it. I'd give this one an overall rating of probably 7.5 out of 10. Once again, this was purchased from GearBest. Thanks for watching.